Hey guys, welcome. I am here with Alba from Cocina Unción. Así se pronuncia.
Cocina Unción.
Cocina Unción. I love that name. And as you guys may know, since we posted about this, today is Autism Awareness Day. It's an international holiday, not holiday, but the day of celebrating autism awareness. And April is the entire month, Autism Awareness Month. So we thought, why don't we get together because both of us are autism moms, right? And make something that's super healthy. And it's actually Alba's recipe because her son is on a very a special diet that has helped him a lot. So she's going to share with us. So what's going on, Alba? Explica.
Hey, how are you, Belkis? It's my pleasure to be with you, cooking today.
I know, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Tell us a little bit about your son and why you started cooking the way that you cook for him. Yeah.
Sure. Gabriel is actually in the autism, a spectrum autism. He's 7 years old, and we have been in a special diet for about 2 years now. He has helped him tremendously. So I'm really hopeful, that this recipe, of course, that we're going to be making today, and as long as, as other recipes that it's going to be like this one's going to be gluten-free, soy-free, and casein-free. Because, most of autistic kids, they have really damaged intestine. So this kind of recipe is perfect for them. So it's going to be a healthy snack, and it's full of vitamins. So I hope you guys can enjoy it and make it with us, of course.
Yes, so it's going to be like fritters, right? Like arecitas in Spanish.
It's going to be almond flour. It's going to be almond flour fritters. So it's going to be a great snack for
Yes. I'm just excited. I'm excited because, these kind of recipes, are very, very different and very unique. And like you said, there's a lot of nutrients in here. And for our kids who have a lot of gut issues, it's always great to be able to give them things like this. I've never had this, so I'm very excited to start. I already have my oil. I chose avocado oil. So I already have that heating up. And what are you using?
I'm going to be using coconut oil.
Coconut oil. So that's great. You can even use other oil.
It's very diversified. You can use coconut oil. You can use almond oil. Well, the one that you use in the avocado oil, and you can always also use olive oil as well. So it's very diversified. You have that's good for frying. That's not full of
Yes. Well, I'm ready to start. So whenever you tell me what to do, and I'm starting.
So let's start off with the dry ingredients. So I have here a half cup of the chickpea flour, right?
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
And I have that too.
And a half cup of almond flour.
Okay. Here we go.
Put them together.
Okay.
And then to these, we're gonna add a little bit of oregano, dried oregano leaves.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add up a little bit of salt.
Salt. Okay.
Correct.
Perfect. I'm gonna do some sea salt. Okay.
Some green onions. I chopped up a little bit of green onions.
Okay. I need an egg.
Yes, I have my egg right here. So I try to use everything that's organic for Gabriel. Because
which one did you put? Which one did you put in next? Which one did you put in next after the flour, the oregano, and the salt?
I put the green onions.
Okay.
So green onions, oregano.
And I went with cilantro.
Oh, cilantro, perfect.
Yeah, so you told me I could substitute.
The taste of cilantro, you're gonna love it. It's really, really good. Let me see. About 2 tablespoons of oil.
So here we go. I'm putting in the egg.
Okay,
and then you said that after that, when do I put the milk in?
And then the milk. The milk is the last thing you're gonna put.
The last thing. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna use
amaranth
milk. You're gonna be using almond milk, right?
Almond, yeah.
Correct.
Yes. Okay. Here we go. So it's gonna get like a weird consistency, right?
Exactly.
Like
It's
a
gonna be like a chewy, you know, like a
chewy.
chewy
Yeah,
consistency.
I can see
But that's
it.
a water. That's a water.
I should have kept doing it with a spoon instead of the whisk.
Okay.
The whisk is like, no.
How's yours coming out?
Okay.
I think
So,
it's gonna
and I'll
be
put
good.
a little bit more oil here.
A little bit of oil, yeah.
Okay. And then when do I put the milk in? Like, do I look for a specific texture?
No, it's just at the end. You haven't put the milk yet?
Okay. No, I'm gonna do it right
Just
now.
put it- Yeah, there you go.
Okay. And I'm
Yeah,
gonna
yours
just do a
is
little
gonna
bit at a
come
time,
perfect.
right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay,
And
I see
you're
it,
gonna
definitely.
see the consistency. If you need more milk, you're gonna add
Yes.
a little bit more. But I
Okay.
think for this kind of like the amount of ingredients that we have,
Yes.
3 tablespoons is fine. It's good.
Okay.
It should do the magic.
Yeah, this definitely for sure. Okay, so this is working out now. I got it. It got the
I
right
know.
consistency now. Okay. So wow. I think I'm gonna get a little bit more milk. I don't know why. Something is telling me to get more milk. So I'm gonna get more milk. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah,
So now I'm gonna add that extra milk. And
there you
see.
go.
Because like la quiero suavecita. Yeah, this is a little bit
I
more.
know.
Yeah, this is gonna and this is basically all it is, right? And then you just fry it.
That's all there is. And of course, if you don't have the almond flour or the chickpea flour, you can also use coconut flour
Oh, okay, that's a good
or
tip.
amaranth flour. Mhm.
Okay. And this recipe, do you have it in your YouTube channel too?
No, I still don't have it. I have a picture of it, but I don't have like the cooking, type of
Oh,
recipe.
okay. But I
For
think
the
I
first
saw it on
time.
Instagram, right? I think I saw it on Instagram.
Yes, I got it on
Okay,
Instagram.
so yeah, we'll definitely share the link to that post then. So I'm ready.
Oh, you're ready? Okay. Make sure your oil is not too hot, okay, doggies?
Okay, it's not.
It's
Now
not
I'm a
because
little stressed.
the kind of oil that
I'm
we're
like,
using is it's really thin, and you heat up like really quick. So you want to make
oh
sure
yeah.
that it's really, really hot.
And it doesn't matter what the shape is, I assume. Oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, I totally see what you mean.
Like this reminds me so much of the arepitas de yuca.
Oh yes,
We are, yeah.
yes, and also the corn ones.
Exactly. Yep. Las arepitas dulce de maíz.
Yes. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I get it. I love it. Okay.
It's gonna come
Okay.
out so good. Are you trying them?
Yeah, they're frying pretty nicely right now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm back now.
He calls them pancakes. Mom, I want pancakes.
He calls them pancakes. Oh my
Yeah.
God, these are so, and then oh my God, they're perfect. Oh, look at that. They're like nice and brown.
And the texture is really
Wow.
crispy too.
Yeah, this is awesome. Thank you for this recipe. This is really nice. And I can see why he would like it, because it's like it is like an arepita. It's the same shape. It looks the same.
I don't know about your son, but most autistic kids, they like crispy things.
Yes. Oh yeah,
Noticed
absolutely.
that from your son?
I'm sorry?
Have you noticed that from him that he likes?
Oh yes.
He likes like crispy stuff.
Anything that's crunchy.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Anything like crackers,
Exactly.
The only thing that is soft that he kind of likes, which I'm shocked, is French toast. He loves that. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it there in the camera, but it's super pretty. Aw. And does it, like, what happens if, let's say, it is not cooked through all the way? Is that okay? If it's tender in the middle, or should you cook it?
Fine.
Okay.
You just have to make sure that you press them down like really good, so it cooks from the inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I don't burn them like I kind of almost did right now. I'm like, oh my God, now they really look like pancakes. Okay. Wow, this is gorgeous. Yeah, I really like
I
these.
know. Mine's already.
Okay.
You see mine. You see mine? Look at
Yes.
mine. Belkis.
Ooh,
Belkis,
nice.
look at mine.
I love it. Yeah. We're twinning there
And
too.
this is good also for like on the go. You know, you can make something nice for them. If you're like
Yes.
going to the park or you're going somewhere, you know.
No, it's perfect. 100% perfect. So I'm gonna
It's good, yeah.
put mine here. And then you can make, now do they keep well in the refrigerator?
Yeah, sometimes if he doesn't eat at all, I just put it in the refrigerator and just heat it up next day.
Okay, perfect.
Mhm.
Yeah, I like these. Oh my God, I can't wait to try it now. Okay, I'll put this on the side. They smell really good too.
They smell really good too, right?
Mm-hmm. Let me see. I'm gonna cut a little piece. I'll cut a little piece of here. I don't want to burn my mouth.
Yeah, be careful.
Uh-oh.
Nice already.
Mmm. Muy bueno. This is really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So
And it's
glad.
crunchy on
So
the
glad.
outside and tender on the inside.
Exactly.
So true arepita. Yeah. I like it a lot. Now, where did you learn to make this?
Say that again.
Where did you learn to make it?
On my own, to be honest, because since I didn't have like a lot of like recipes for my son, like
Mhm.
of course healthy recipes. I just had like
Mhm.
inventing and putting things together. I was like, you know what? Let me just try to see. He loves everything that has to do with almond milk, almond flour.
Oh, wow.
Everything with almond. So the first time I tried them was with the almond flour. They come out so good. He loved them. So then I
Yeah.
started, you know, like implementing new different type of recipes like chickpea. Then I put a coconut
Mhm.
flour, you know, and also
Just messing around with the
flour.
recipe.
I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah,
know.
you have to get creative, right? So that you're not feeding them the same
Exactly.
thing. Yeah, I agree
Exactly.
100%.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
right.
But I wanted to say thank you so much for doing this with me, and hopefully
Sure.
we can do some other ones and we don't have the trouble we had today trying to figure out our Zoom
If you're
recording.
so lovely, we will be making more.
And we did it. We did it. I'm proud of us because we did it. We figured it out. But yeah, no. Thank you so much. And in the description, we're gonna have, your information, my information, so that if it's on your channel or my channel, that people can find us and just follow us, right?
So hopeful, of course, so hopeful that we can help, other moms who are struggling with like different kind of diets and this can be like a healthy snack for them. So
We'll do like a little autism mom series.
we should, right? We should.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
I'm in. Well, thank you so much, Alba.
Thank you, Belkis. Thank
And
you.
we'll see each other
Thank you
soon.
so much. Alrighty, bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a good one, okay? Alrighty, bye-bye.